Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Zimberry, and today we're gonna talk about Facebook Marketplace. What if I tell you you can make money from Facebook Marketplace? Now, if you do not know what Facebook Marketplace is, Facebook Marketplace is a new or it's an already existing features in Facebook where Facebook has given you the opportunity to sell your used electronics, used accessories, or even your used computers. And over the years, a lot of people have been posting quite a little bit of different things on Facebook that they want to sell and make more money from there. But what if I tell you today you can actually make money from Facebook Marketplace without having a product to post, but rather taking someone else's product they've posted on Facebook Marketplace and putting it on eBay? You could double the price they put on Facebook. So basically, the whole idea is how can I leverage someone else's product and make money without not even seeing the product? So this video, I'm going to show you how you can take the product from Facebook, upload the product on eBay. Most if you don't have an eBay account, how to show you how to open a new eBay account and how you can put your details on it. And also how you can just start making money without you doing much of the hard job. So all you need to do, product, Facebook, eBay, client, and get back to Facebook. Yeah, pretty much. So just sit and relax. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the on notification bell. So whenever I release a new video, you get to see all my videos. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and click the link below to watch the next video. And every week we will be coming with a new video to show you how you can make money online without stressing yourself, and also how you can do loads of stuff as well. Hey, thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel and share with your friends and anyone you want to show something new. Peace.